Forever's, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. So today in front of us is the Tata Punch EV, guys. We are going to be doing a drive review of this particular car. As we are all aware how the Nexon EV drives, I'm sure this car is going to be punchy as well. We're going to be testing the 0 to 100, how it feels to drive in sports mode, how it is when it comes to corners, how is the handling, the suspension, and how is it overall when you're sitting inside. We're going to be checking each and every factor out when it comes to driving this car. Of course, we won't be doing a range test, okay, that will be a completely different video, but how it feels for an enthusiast. Of course, we are going to be driving it from an enthusiastic point of view, because I myself am an enthusiast. All right, so we're going to be doing it from that point of view, and you can get an idea how enthusiastic this car is. This car churns out 120 horsepower with 190 newton meters of torque, guys. It's very hot today. As you can see, the sun is like shining bright. It's like 43 degrees. So I would really appreciate it if you would like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, guys. Your support means a lot. आप गर्मी में भी हम इतना shoot कर रहे हैं, so please do give it a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. What do you guys think about this car? Let's get inside the test drive vehicle straight away without any further delay. So Towers, we are inside the Tata Punch EV long range variant, guys. This is the Empowered Plus, which costs 16.5 lakhs on road. With us is Anisha ma'am today. Her details will be in the description below. Basically, if you are planning on buying a Tata car in Kolkata, TC Motors is the place to be. The address and everything will be mentioned in the description, so do check it out whenever you're planning on buying a new Tata vehicle. So today we'll be test driving this car, guys, testing the suspension, the handling, the braking, 0 to 100, body roll. Each and every factor will be tested with this vehicle, guys, and the verdict and everything will be given to you. All in all, we have driven the Tata Nexon EV and we know how fun it is to drive. So I have no doubt that the Punch EV will be equally fun to drive in that same sense as well. So let's get started straight away. But before we get started, let me mention the mode we are on right now. We are on drive mode at the moment, okay, city drive mode. All right, straight away. So basically, guys, when you talk about
passenger seat belt,
okay, so इसमें क्या है, guys, you can hear the seat belt warning. Basically, it is saying for the rear passengers to fasten the seat belts, and this is available in the Tata Punch, where the warning is given for the front and the rear passengers as well. So we have 4 people in the car right now, guys. Okay, so that will also make a difference when it comes to driving. Pickup in city drive mode is really good, as you'd expect for an electric vehicle, guys. Okay, and braking is also really good. आप ये देख सकते हो, when you're giving the indicator, blind spot monitoring camera इसमें, it is showing the left view, so which makes it very convenient for the driver to understand what is on their left or right side when they're taking turns. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now, guys, we'll do quick 0 to 80 test over here, because road nahi hai 0 to 100 ke liye. Okay, so we're going to be changing it to sport drive mode activated. Right. So 3, 2, 1, go. You can hear the wheel spin, guys. 80. I think around 7.5 seconds mein it reached 80. So mere ख्याल से 9 seconds mein 100 will be you'll reach the triple digit figure in 9 seconds. So that's pretty good, because it's pretty fast. And आपने wheel spin तो सुना है. This only happens in sports mode, guys. City और eco में नहीं होता. Okay, braking is really good. We will try the brake test also in a bit. In the meanwhile, let's understand the suspension. So we are going through bad roads. Okay, the suspension setup of this car is not too hard and it's not too soft either. Okay, pickup is next level. Okay, we are going to be taking a left again, and see, we're going through certain bumps and potholes and everything. So the suspension setup of this car is really well balanced in my opinion, guys, because आपको ज़्यादा खासकर bumps feel नहीं होते हैं, और इसका ground clearance भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, guys. It's a tall car, okay, and when you're on the driver's position also, you get a very commanding view. It is clearly visible, the bonnet is visible, everything is visible. The ORVMs are massive, as you can see, so everything is pretty visible. We're not going to go through really bad potholes, but yeah, see, the suspension setup is really good, guys, in my opinion. And now we're going to be going towards another road, and we're going to be changing our mode, or we'll do a 0 to 100 in sports mode and find out what is the time taken over there. Right? I think it's well set up in my opinion for a car this size, है ना? Because और क्या आप expect कर सकते हो इस segment में? I think it's pretty well set up. But ठीक है, let's start the 0 to 100 in sports mode. Let's go. ब्रेक टेस्ट. आप अगर सडन ब्रेक मारते हो सो इट इंडिकेट्स ऑल्सो कि यू नो द ब्लिंकर्स स्टार्ट एज वेल, सो दैट सेफ्टी फीचर्स ऑल्सो देयर. और हमारे पीछे कोई नहीं था गाइज जो मैंने ब्रेक लिया है, ठीक है. एज यू कैन सी द रोड इज कम्प्लीटली एम्प्टी. ओके, सो दैट्स वन थिंग.
अनीशा को हार्ट अटैक आ रहा है यहाँ पे.
नहीं, वो वहाँ तक मैं आने नहीं दूंगा. सो anyway, so we are doing it in very controlled conditions. आप देख सकते हो अनीशा मैडम कोई भी है यहाँ पे. So
Seat belts also on.
Seat belts are also on. Everyone is safe in the car. But anyway, guys, drive safe and everything. All these tests that we are doing are in very well controlled conditions. Okay, and these are tests for information. This is not how you're supposed to drive. Okay, please let's be very clear on that. Okay, taking a left from here, we're going to be doing the handling test and the body roll test right now. Okay, guys, so please brace yourself, people at the back, especially Nikhil bhaiya, first since you're recording. Okay. So now guys, we are going to be doing the handling test of this vehicle in a moment. We're going to pick up a little bit of speed and we're going to go zigzag. So the body roll is pretty well contained. If you are doing a little bit of zigzag on the road, don't do that, by the way. And we're going to be taking a sharp turn. Wow, wheel spin though, yaar, I'm in love with this silent wheel spin as you don't hear the engine noise on this. Body roll is well contained in my opinion, guys, for a car this tall and you know, small as well. So usually tall cars, you know, they don't have proper containment of the body roll. Okay, that is there of course, and be it in compact SUVs, be it in SUVs, that is always there. Okay, because center of gravity makes a play when it comes to these tall cars, all right. But in this particular vehicle, I believe the body roll is well contained. Even if you're taking a sharp turn, you can take it with full confidence, because ऐसा आपको नहीं लगेगा गाड़ी दो चक्के में आ गई है. It will be planted because high speed stability is amazing, and the car gives you confidence when you are at high speeds also, and if you're taking a turn. Okay, so कैसा लगा पीछे के passengers को? Too good, right? I mean, so yeah, that is one thing. I am very surprised as to how this car drives. I did not, of course I expected a lot of torque. I expected a lot of pickup. That was natural. The power output is 120 horsepower with 190 Newton meters of torque, so that is also there. You know, this car has the right amount of power, and given the size of this car, the power to weight ratio is also going to be amazing. Okay, so this is going to give a run for its money to a lot of premium vehicles, I'm sure. Even though it's just 120 horsepower, the pickup and acceleration of this car is amazing, guys. Okay, so we have tested almost everything in this vehicle, guys, be it suspension, be it body roll, be it your 0 to 100. Range test of course possible nahi hai. We are just giving our opinion and verdict as to how this Tata Punch EV feels to drive. Okay, it feels amazing, it's punchy, it's, you know, you get that confidence when you're braking. It has 4 disc brakes also, so that's pretty good. All right, you drive in a commanding position as well because it's a tall car, and overall it's a fun to drive car, guys. If you're planning on your first EV vehicle, okay, you can definitely consider the Punch EV, guys. The long range one is of course more fun to drive compared to the medium range one, but if you're planning on your first EV car, this is the car you should definitely consider. I would give it a 9 out of 10, and let me know your thoughts, guys. If you have the Punch, if you're driving this car, if you have owned this car, if you want to share your ownership review, please let me know. You can send me a mail, I will mention it on the screen. Okay, and share your thoughts in the comments as to how has this car been when it comes to owning it, and in general, even if you don't have this car, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. All right, thank you so much Nikhil bhaiya for the assistance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, if you found it informative, do like the video, subscribe, to the channel, press the bell notification icon and share this video as much as possible. Iski reach badhao guys, so that it reaches more people who are interested in this particular car. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, Turbo Revers. Bye bye.